Now this is another one that I really love. It does just as good as Mailer Gold. And I love this because you can send a mailer out to it, but it also has a traffic exchange that works really well. And this has the how it works. You can just surf the pages here. You don't have to upgrade and buy, they call it TPOs. You can just surf. There is an upgrade to the mailer that I had bought that I didn't even realize, I guess, that I had bought some credits before, and so I am an upgraded member in this. So every 3 days I can send out to 3,000 members, and this does really good. Okay, so I'm going to send the same message that I sent out. I'm going to send delete that and go back and this again is, let's see, it's my X. I do, oh, wrong one. Okay, now we're gonna get, the link. We're gonna add the link in here. Now you don't have to do it 2 times. This is the way the message is set up. Most of the time I just do it 1 time. Okay, and this is the message that it goes over again. If you've been looking for extra income but nothing has worked, you're going to want to look at this and move on this quickly. Brand new opportunity is just open. It's already filling faster than expected. No hype, no guessing, no long explanations. When you opt into the capture page, which is this one that you just saw, it goes into explaining how the team build works. This is a pre-team build. It's not like any other team build you've ever been used or anything. It's been by the grace of God. I was praying on it for a few months, and I believe he had showed me that this would help people to earn online. And, call me crazy, that's fine. I am just strongly believing that, and that this is going to help not just the people at the very top, because it's not about the people at the top. It's about the people that have just joined. They are the people that are advertised first, or the ones that join last and don't have anybody in their downline. Now you can join this team build and have up to 4 people in your downline. Okay, or you could have 2 or 3, or you could have no one. But with this team build, the person that comes in and doesn't have anybody that's at that 5th level is the first person that everybody advertises at, and your team is only ever 5 people. Okay, you send at least 200 hits apiece, so who's ever up next to get their team, you are getting 1,000 hits a day sent to that capture page. And there is this capture page system because you want to also grow your list. You want to build your team. Okay, so this is Infinity Traffic Boost, and the mailer is fantastic on here. I always do preview mailer and check the links. I'll check the bottom link this time. And this is the same, very similar. It's the owner's the same people. That's why you'll notice it's very similar to Mailer Gold that I just did a video on. Okay, so that's good to go. Now this one doesn't doesn't have the where you need to click it to send to 3,000 people. No, it's already set to send to 3,000 people. So you just checked the, I should check the first one too. That's the one that most people will click on. I've had that happen before to where one link works and one doesn't. So it's always good to check and make sure both, if you have a message in there with two. Now I'm good to send. Click send. And that's done. Okay, and like I said, I love the traffic exchange here too. Surf pages, you first would click promote pages, and then you'd come down here and add your page. Advertising campaigns, I have this one up and running. This is the capture page for the team build. Okay, you can do, I have been upgraded over time in the past, but I prefer to do multiple traffic exchanges. Co-ops are good, but still coming into multiple traffic exchanges, multiple safe lists individually still is the best way. Co-ops do work, and they are less, it's easier to buy traffic credits, and if you don't have a lot of time, that is what I would suggest. Harvest hits is a good one, and traffic, the downliner is a good one. And yeah, just load up hits and send hits. And if you don't have time to sit and do traffic, so that's where you would add your campaign right here. I'm going to take some of these out. You can purchase additional credits. You can buy traffic package options. And when you buy the traffic package options, it just runs through the traffic. You don't even have to sit here and click. You don't even have to sit here and surf pages. Okay, I'm just starting it up. I've got my site that's there and ready. And you will get one spot where you can put your site in there too. And then you click start surfing. Now this is great because people can't cheat on this. They can't just surf and leave this. Okay, if you go to another page, it will stop and wait for you to come back to the page. So this is, people really do pay attention when you're surfing, and then you got to click continue surfing. But this is a good traffic exchange. I absolutely love the mailer on this. I really highly encourage everybody to get your 200 hits, to do like 5 traffic exchanges in at least 2, maybe 3 safe lists or mailers, whatever you want to call them. I love Mailer Goal. I love this Infinity Traffic Boost. I also love European Safe List is really good. And when you upgrade in European Safe List for a one-time $7 cost, you get an upgrade in 2 different safe lists. So you could be here in Infinity Traffic Boost plus Mailer Gold, which is a one-time $23 cost. That's quite a deal. And then upgrade here, just choose the package with the TPOs that you can afford, and the mailer, the random mailer is really good. And yeah, and I just showed you the random mailer, and now we're just sitting here and doing the traffic exchange. Pretty much traffic exchanges are like this right here. Okay. Just match the color. It says green down there. You match it, and then you click continue surfing. Not everybody does the continued surfing. Some have like a page pop up every so often that is required to where it makes you click like you know, click this number, click that number, click this letter, match this, and if you get it wrong, then they're thinking, well, you're a robot, so they're gonna, you know, they're gonna say no, and some give you a few times. One of the other traffic exchanges that I love that does really well is Traffic Ad Bar. I get to surfing that. Sometimes I get to surfing that so fast that I click the wrong thing when it does the thing. So, if you happen to have where your account gets deleted because they think you're a robot, don't freak out. Just go and sign up for a different account, use a different email address, and it happens. And surfing traffic exchanges does take time. See, every now and then they ask you to verify and then continue surfing. Okay, it can be tedious, but if you have just an hour a day or even a half hour, once you get to knowing what you're doing, a half hour should be able to give you 200 hits. If you have like 1 or 2 days off and to do the team build, if you're limited with time, still look at this. This team build can still work for you. You need to send 1,400 hits to the persons whose page is ready, and you only have 5 people. So you're only ever going to be 4 people away. All right. And when you do come up, you get 5 people added straight in a team that are going to be working on their own with their own team that I'll do Zooms with and help talk to and help clear up any confusion or anything like that. So when you join with a team, let me know what works best for you for Zoom, because we can get on a Zoom and I can answer any questions. You can make suggestions. I'm always open to ideas. Like I said before, this is the grace of God that gave me this idea for the team build, a different method to do it so that people can earn, so that you're not waiting forever and you're not waiting 6 months for your spot to come up, or you're not on a random rotator where your link comes up one time out of every 1,000 clicks, and then there's no guarantee that that person's going to sign up with you. See, now this is Surf Boost activation. You need to surf 10 for them to share your link with, it tells you how many credits you have right up here. Right now there's 5. There's 179 credits left. So this is how you do this surfing for this traffic exchange, okay? This is the pre-built right here. I'll have the link to Infinity Traffic Boost and the link to the team build so you can take a look at it. If it's not for you, totally fine. Just unsubscribe once you've logged in and taken a look at it. If you have any questions at all, always reply back to the email. Any questions, you do have to validate your email that you really do want the information. Okay, I want serious people that really want to work this. This is not a lazy person. People aren't going to do all the work for you. You work together in a team. Okay, the more hits you send, the more your team will be successful. All right, okie dokie, amen. God bless you guys. Have a blessed and highly favored day.